Hey guys, it's me, Jess from Cosmic Connections. I just wanted to take a minute here to make a little video and show you some of my pendulum types. A couple people have asked me, is there a right or wrong crystal that you can use? I'd say whatever crystal you are drawn to is the one you are supposed to be using. There is no right or wrong crystal. This is one of my pendulums. Charm that I wear on a regular basis. I like to wear my pendulums. A lot of people are asking me, is it okay to wear them? I like to wear mine just because to me, I feel like the connection is a little bit greater when you're with that piece a lot. Another one of my favorites is this guy. Just a clear quartz. I had got it at Michael's. It was dyed, so I tried my best to get the dye off. But it is a genuine clear quartz. I just really like that because quartz makes me feel at peace. It helps amplify things, and I just feel like I get a lot of clear messages with that. So it has a little loopy thing, on there, so you can change out any pendulum necklace that you want to use. And then I'll show you this guy. Don't make fun of me now. My attempt at wire wrapping, just some extra little things that I found laying around the house, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And I do use that little quartz for a pendulum as well. And let me just show you how easy it is just to change out your pendant. And just like that, get your pendulum board. You can use that. Show me my yes. Oh, let's try that again. Be nice and calm. All right. Show me my yes. Now, there is a little movement already. This one is not as heavy as the other one, so just give it a minute there. Please show me my yes. Thank you. All right. Now, show me my no. A little more way on that one, I guess. Show me my no. See? Just like that. May not be the best one to use just because of the weight, but you'll see with this guy,